This is an idiomatic expression using the base word mata. So in each expressions, this is they are used mata, okay, as a very base word. Okay, so there are four expressions that using mata, in English I. Yeah, so this is an idiomatic expression that are mostly used in Indonesia. Mata keranjang. Mata keranjang means flirty man. Yeah, mata keranjang is usually used for a man. Yeah, flirty man. Okay, mata keranjang. The second, mata duitan. Mata duitan refers to a person that who likes money so much. Okay, she or he does everything for money. Yeah, even though in a bad way or in a good way. So mata duitan means that she or he thinks over about money. Yeah, okay. The third, mata-mata. So mata-mata means that the parulangan. So mata-mata means a spy. Mata-mata. Ya, dia adalah mata-mata bos kita. She is or he is a spy of our boss. Ya, mata-mata. Okay, matahariku. So this is one word. Matahariku. There is a possessive pronoun here, ku. That's in bahasa in English is my. Matahari is a sun, but matahariku, that's an idiomatic expression that means my beloved person. I can say my son, anakku adalah matahariku. My son is my beloved person. Okay, so matahariku means my beloved person. Okay, you can say that matahariku for your wife, your husband, your kid, and your beloved. Okay, so let's practice more. Mata keranjang means a flirty man. Mata duitan refers to a man or a woman that who likes money so much. She thinks over about money in her daily activities. Okay. The third, mata-mata means a spy. The last is matahariku. Okay, matahariku means that my beloved person. Ku, if you find suffix ku in Bahasa Indonesia, that's my in possessive pronoun in English. Okay, so I do hope this topic will be helpful for you to add your vocabulary. Thank you so much. I'm Gunawan Tamu Saribu. I'll see you next week on our topic. Goodbye.